Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the cabin filter on a 2017 Ford Transit 150 van. Not much to show you how to replace because it never came with one. And how we found this out was we just got back from a road trip and the missus was complaining about a lot of dust coming in the vehicle when we went through a construction site. And come to find out, this is the inlet for the fresh air that comes into the cabin, and it's supposed to go through a cabin filter, but there's no cabin filter there. Come to find out, a lot of these transit vans did not come with a cabin filter. I called up the local auto parts stores and they don't even have them in stock, so I've got to order one off from Amazon. So I'll show you how I managed to do that. But first I'll show you how you would change it if you did have your cabin filter available. So let's get started. So once you've received it, you need to find the spot where it goes into, and generally it's behind the glove compartment. So open up the glove compartment, and there's usually a couple of tabs that you have to push or pull to bring the glove compartment down. Make sure you pull everything out of your glove compartment first so you don't drop everything. So once you've done that, then inside here there's going to be a little access panel. So this is really easy. All you need to do is on one side or the other there's going to be a tab that you have to push or pull. You're going to clip that tab and you're going to kind of pull that out towards you. It's like going to be like a hinge on this side. Pull that away from you. If the old cabin filter was there, you'd pull that one out and then slide your new one in. I can see a lot of dirt down inside there. I can actually see the squirrel cage fan. It's really dirty. I'm surprised that they ship these without a filter. Once you get the new filter, slide it in, put the cover back on. Again, it kind of clips in down here, and then you're just going to snap that in, and that's all there is to it.
Alright, well, just like with everything else, just head on over to Amazon and type in cabin filter for your 2017 Ford Transit 150, and you're going to come up with a filter that looks a lot like this. Now, it's important that you get this particular one because the ductwork that this slides into will only accept this if the corner is missing. So it's got some measurements down here if you're not really sure what you're looking for, but this is what you need for the van. And again, if you don't get this one with the corner taken out of it, it's not going to fit. So go ahead and order that for your Transit 150, and it's going to cost you $10.99.
Then once you get that done, just bring your glove compartment back up and realign it, and you're done. Okay, and that's all there is to it. We're kind of on our way out on another project, but I just kind of wanted to show you this now. I'm waiting for my filter to come in, and once it comes in, I'm going to pop it in, and we're all set to go. Kind of a quick little video, but I thought it was kind of important. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.